Once again, welcome back on Explodey FPSYT channel. So, are you constantly getting the network change was detected error in Chrome? It can be super frustrating when you're in the middle of something important and suddenly your internet connection glitches out. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through all the possible fixes to get your connection back to normal. First, let's start with the basics. Restart your router by turning it off, waiting for about 5 minutes, and then turning it back on. While you're at it, go ahead and restart your computer too. Sometimes a simple reset is all it takes to clear temporary network conflicts. Next, flush and renew network configuration. If restarting didn't do the trick, let's move on to resetting your IP and DNS settings. Open the command prompt as administrator and type the following commands one by one. First, release your current IP, ipconfig/release, then renew it, ipconfig/renew, flush out any corrupted DNS cache, ipconfig/flush DNS, and finally, register your DNS again, ipconfig/register DNS. Hit enter after each command, then restart your computer. This forces your network to request a fresh connection, fixing most IP-related errors. Clear Chrome's cache and cookies. If the issue still persists, Chrome's stored data might be causing conflicts. To clear it, open Chrome and go to Settings by click on these 3 dots. Then look and click Privacy and Security option, and then click on Clear Browsing Data. Choose here, select All Time, check Cookies and Cached, Images Files, then hit Clear Data. Once done, restart Chrome and check if the problem is gone. If that didn't work, disable or remove extensions. Some browser extensions, especially VPNs or ad blockers, can interfere with network settings. To check, open Chrome. Click the 3 dots in the top right corner and go to More Tools. Then look for Extensions option. Disable all extensions one by one or at once. Once disabled, then restart Chrome. If the issue is fixed, enable extensions one by one to find the problematic extension. This will resolve the issue and help you identify the problematic extension. But if this method also fails, then reset Chrome to default settings. If nothing has worked so far, resetting Chrome can help. Go to Settings and then Advanced, find Reset and Cleanup. Click Restore, Settings to their original defaults, and Confirm. This won't delete your bookmarks or passwords, but it will reset all other settings, giving you a fresh start. As a final sort, reset network settings. If the error still keeps coming back, it's time for a full network reset. Open Settings on your PC. Go to Network and Internet Settings, then Advanced Network Settings, find the network reset and click Reset Now, then restart your PC. This will completely remove and reinstall all network adapters, clearing any deep-rooted conflicts causing the issue. Conclusion: by now, your network change was detected error should be gone. Whether it was a temporary glitch, a DNS conflict, or a browser issue, these steps cover everything you need to fix it. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and yep, as always, don't forget to support Explodey FPS. Subscribe now.